What's going on, my friend? Eric Ellis Jr. here with EricEllisJr.com, and in this video I'm going to share with you 5 secret Instagram marketing tips that have allowed me to amass over 12,000 followers on Instagram, and how that following puts thousands of dollars in my bank account every single freaking day, and more importantly, how you can ethically steal my same exact results by applying these 5 simple tips. Cue the intro.
Over habits of my heart, I can't say no. It's ripping me apart.
Alright guys, so first and foremost, if this is your first time coming across my beautiful face, who am I? My name is Eric Ellis Jr. and I'm a digital marketer, right? Digital entrepreneur, to where it came from corporate slavery, wanted something different within my life, dropped out of school, pursued entrepreneurship, was really successful, but wanted time and location freedom, pursued digital entrepreneurship, started crushing it, here today to where I'm traveling full time. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so that way you can go ahead and join the freaking family, so that way I can teach you how to live the lifestyle that you deserve, right? So let's get right into the freaking content. Now, tip number 1, right? And most importantly, what is this about? Like I said earlier, this is gonna help you build a massive following, but how to actually monetize that following. Because yeah, it's cool to be Insta famous. Yeah, when I show people that have 12,000 followers and counting, recently somebody was like, I showed them my Instagram, they're like, who are you? I was like, my name is just Eric, I'm nobody special. But it gives you that certain importance, right? You have 12,000 followers, you must be somebody, right? But even more importantly, how can we monetize that? Whether you're a business owner, whether you're an online marketer, whatever, these 5 tips are gonna help you. So tip number 1 is hashtags to build a targeted audience. Now, what is the hashtag? It's basically that pound sign, right? Now, there's a specific way that you want to go ahead and actually put your hashtags, right? What a lot of people do is they make a mistake and they put their hashtags in their first comment. But before we talk about the hashtags, right? First and foremost, a hashtag is specifically when somebody searches, right, on hashtags like traveling, they're gonna find content pertaining to travel. When they look up fitness hashtags, they're gonna go ahead and find fitness content, right? Now, where you wanna go to find the best hashtags for yourself and the following that you're trying to build, right? And the customers that you're trying to generate, or the people you're trying to market to, go to hashtags4likes.co. And basically what it's gonna do is this is a website that literally gives you the best hashtags for your specific niche, whether it's photography, whether it's online business, whether it's fitness. So that way you can start putting hashtags, right, like this on the second comment. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and put these dots there. It sounds funny when I'm explaining it, but when you see the picture, it's going to make sense. These dots, right, so that way people don't see your hashtags. You comment it in your second comment, so that way people who are searching for travel, fitness, or whatever it is, they're going to find your account. Now, after we talk about the second tip, right, it's gonna make sense on how this is gonna correlate together. But that's gonna get targeted people to come across your account, and whatever you're trying to promote as well, they're literally going to get access to it, and they're gonna be more likely to buy what you're selling. So tip number 1 is hashtags. You wanna incorporate the right hashtags, which have these certain people who are looking for what you're offering, or the type of following that you're trying to build. Tip number 2 is leveraging Instagram engagement groups. What is an Instagram engagement group? It's basically a Telegram group where there's literally hundreds, thousands of people within the same group. And what happens is, literally at a set time frame, like 12 o'clock, everybody, there's either Instagram like engagement groups or Instagram comment engagement groups. Literally, everybody engages with your content at a specific time frame. So if you post at 12 o'clock, literally you might get 50 comments on it because you're in a commenting engagement group, or you might get an extra 200 likes. Now, why is that important? The more engagement you have, Instagram will put you on the Explorer page. Now, when you're on the Explorer page, more people organically are going to come across your content. So let's just say you have a following of 1,000 people and you have 400 likes. Your average post gets maybe 10% engagement, which is, let's just say 100 likes, but when it gets 400 likes, it's because you used the right hashtags and it hit the Explorer page to where people who aren't even following you came across your content. Why is that important? As long as you have the right, great quality content, people are going to literally hit that follow button. And if you're promoting anything on your page, you're gonna be able to redirect them to buy that offer. And again, it's going to display, right, because you're using those hashtags, it's going to display on the top of the Explorer page with those hashtags if you're getting a lot of engagement. So using those engagement groups. Now, where can you find them? You can simply go to Reddit, reddit.com. You can search for Instagram engagement groups, literally to where you can plug and play, and you have to make sure that you actually participate or else they'll kick your ass out. So that way you can start getting more engagement, get on that Explorer page, and start getting results within your freaking business, or just become Insta famous, right? Step number 2 is how I've generated 12,000 followers is using specific growth hacking softwares, right? Now, the software literally will do everything for you. Instead of spending hours on this freaking phone, right? You could be doing more important stuff like walking your dog or walking your cat or brushing your teeth or something like that, right? To where these softwares, instead of you liking and commenting on people's posts, because if you watch a lot of these videos, people tell you to do that if you want to grow your following. Spend hours a day. How bad do you want it? Spend hours a day commenting on these people's posts and liking stuff and all this extra bullcrap. Listen, I don't have time for that. I'm a businessman. My time is money, right? It's not beneficial for me. So what I do is I leverage softwares to do so, right? The best software is STEM Social. And you can go to stemsocial.com. And what it does is it'll literally show you what your projected growth is. And what it does for you is it likes people's posts, right? It engages with people. And what you can do is you can literally, for example, I'm in the business niche. You can pick specific accounts for your bot to actually engage with. So Grant Cardone, Gary Vee, basically people within my niche, I can have the bot literally, people who are following those accounts, I engage with them, and when they come across my profile, they're gonna go ahead and say, oh, this guy's an entrepreneur too, let me follow him, right? Number 2, what it does is it follows and unfollows people to where it basically touches them, grabs their attention, they come across your page, they follow you, boom, you're growing, you're freaking following. Number 2, if you have the right things on your actual page, right, like links in your description, everything of that nature, people are going to buy what you're selling, more dollar bills in your damn bank account. So stemsocial.com. Tip number 5, and this one's awesome. I don't see enough people leveraging this. It's called Instagram Story Highlights. Now what it is I'll show you a picture right here. Instagram Story Highlights is simply this new feature where you can literally show your Instagram story. And you can save it as a highlight, right? Now what I use it for, and this is genius for business, I'm gonna show you for business and also just to grow your following. Number 1 is you can use it to cross promote your different social media platforms. So you can literally say, hey, follow me on Facebook, follow me on YouTube, follow me on wherever, Twitter, wherever you want to go ahead and show people. You can create a piece of content. Once you create that piece of content, you go ahead and show it on, or you create a story, and then you add it to your highlights. So if you want people to follow you on Twitter, you have it on your highlights. So whenever people come across your page, they're gonna go and click that Instagram story highlight, and they're gonna see what you're about, right? You can redirect them to other social media platforms because growing a following is possible, or not possible, is important because you can monetize that and make money from it. Number 2, another idea that I'm going to actually implement, haven't implemented it yet, but is you can literally do a story introducing yourself to build a personal connection with that person who comes across your page. Meaning you can literally create a story for the day, say, hey, how's it going? If this is your first time coming across my Instagram, I want to start by saying welcome to my page. This is what I'm all about. I'm all about fitness, I'm all about entrepreneurship, whatever it is, right? The reason why you should go ahead and smash that follow button is because this is what you'll get by joining the community and following me, right? Literally use that 15 seconds in your story and save it as a highlight. And once somebody presses it, right, they're gonna get that personal connection from you and they're gonna hit that follow button. Not only is that gonna increase your following, but it's gonna build that connection to where you've built rapport with that person to where if you're selling anything, they're literally going to buy from you because you built that personal connection. And last but not least, this is a game changer, right? Instagram influencer shoutouts. So basically, what is an Instagram influencer? An Instagram influencer is somebody who has a profile just like yours, but they've spent the time, effort, and energy to build thousands, whether it's 100,000, 500,000, a million followers on Instagram around a specific topic, whether it's fitness, entrepreneurship, travel, whatever it is, right? Just like yours, you reach out to them and you can use those influencer shoutouts. You simply just message them, say, hey, how's it going? My name is Eric. I love your freaking profile. I was interested in paid promotions. How much do you charge for a shout out? They'll show you your prices. That's why they've built those accounts. And then what you can do is you can leverage their authority that they have with their following, and they can redirect their following to follow you. So number one, that's gonna build your following, or you can actually use them to advertise whatever you're promoting. You can give them your links to whatever you're marketing, whether it's a sales funnel, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, does not matter. And you can use that authority and its targeted traffic to redirect that traffic of their authority to your freaking offer. So that is the 5 freaking, bow. I messed up, but it's okay. That is the 5 freaking tips right there, baby. And so let's recap really quick. Hashtags, you can go to hashtagsforlikes.co. Instagram engagement groups, you can go to Reddit. Growth hacking software, stemsocial.com. Instagram story highlights, leverage them, and Instagram influencer shoutouts. It's gonna be a game changer to help you freaking smash it as an Instagram marketer, as an Instagram freaking famous freaking guy or girl in the future. That's gonna help you freaking crush it on Instagram. And that is some fire ass content. If that didn't impress you, I don't know what will. And if it does, join the freaking family, smash that damn subscribe button. Make sure you like it if you've gained any value. And more importantly, drop a comment below of a future video that you'd like me to create in the future, right? Now, what I want to do is I want to give you a special offer. What I've built my Instagram for is so I can make money, point blank period. I don't care about being Insta famous, even though I like it a little bit, but I like to make money. So I'm going to give you a free book. It's called Affiliates Playbook. You can find it in the link in the description, or you can go to affiliatesplaybook.com. What it's gonna do is it's simply gonna go ahead and teach you how to leverage specific skill sets to build a freaking following. And once you build that following, it's gonna teach you how to make money by building that following. So yeah, it's cool to be Insta famous. What if you could be Insta famous and freaking super paid? Grab that book because it's gonna help you do that. And number two, if you wanna learn what I do, which is called affiliate marketing, I actually have a course at jumpstartaffiliate.com. And it'll literally show you step by step how you can, again, leverage your social media to earn commissions very quickly, live the laptop lifestyle like I do, travel full freaking time, buy exotic whips, pop bottles, hang out with models, do whatever the freak you want to do, baby. So with that being said, Jumpstart Affiliate, cop the course, and more importantly, grab that damn ebook so you can smash it with your Instagram. Now with that being said, I appreciate you so much for tuning into my content. Join the freaking family by smashing that subscribe button, and I will see you on the next video, my friend.